just the interaction. So please get to know everybody in the room. Stay plugged into the business, stay plugged into the technology, the industry evolving. We have people online showing us how to do it. We simply log in and we copy their trades. Opportunities to just go down the street and get a job. His job is the shop that his mom built. So now that he can learn how to trade, because he does have Wi-Fi, now that he can learn how to use his iPad and take the little money he had and trade and invest with it, it's a skill set where he can get paid anywhere. Now, when my 150 turns into 270, I'm gonna come to this left side and I'm gonna click finance and I'm gonna withdraw the 150 that I started with.
And we'll be doing alright. That's when I told her, back it up on me. Girl, what you on tonight? Back it up on me. That's when I told her, back it up for me. I'm trying to get you home tonight. Back it up for me. Relax, relax, relax and calm down. Let us move.